Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove an entry from Google Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove an entry from your Google Authenticator, you just simply have to open your Authenticator application at first. Then after that, you will see all of your entries into this home page. Now in order to remove any of those entries, you just simply have to long tap into the entry which you want to remove or delete. Then after that, this rubbish bin icon will appear into top right. In order to remove, just simply tap into that option and then tap into remove account option. This way you can easily remove any entry from your Google Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.